Hey, my name is Connor, and welcome to Crypto Empire, where I show you how to dominate in the crypto markets. There's currently a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt in the cryptocurrency space right now. However, I do believe that there's no reason to panic at this point in time, and I think the bull market is still in full effect. So in this video, we're going to be discussing what altcoins you need to be looking at, as well as Ethereum, the #1 altcoin, why I think it could be outperforming Bitcoin in the coming weeks to months. So be sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, leave a comment down below, and make sure all notifications are turned on as well. And let the gains be with you. So taking a look at the market cap, Bitcoin is currently trading at 51.7K. We recently tested some range lows, as we can see here on the price chart. We recently tested the lows from the flash crash. However, we are yet to break below at this point in time. Also, Ethereum is trading at $2,373. And taking a look at the dominance of the market caps, Bitcoin is currently 48%, while Ethereum is up to 14%, which has been on the rise. So we're going to be taking a look at the Ethereum versus Bitcoin chart in just 1 second. But as we can see, the entire market is red right now. Why is that? Well, some news came out today, and it has to do with President Biden, and he plans to hike the capital gains tax rate on wealthy individuals in the US. According to this article, the White House is considering raising the capital gains tax to 39% on people earning over 1 million per year. Listen to this by people familiar with the matter. That's who the source was, okay? Be careful with who you get your news from. Anyway, including the tax rate on investment income, wealthy individuals could see the federal rates reach as high as 43.4%. So combined with state taxes, this federal tax hike for wealthy individuals will definitely be taking its toll on Americans throughout the states. They are saying the reason for this tax hike is for items like education and healthcare. So this did have a pretty volatile effect on the markets. As we can see, everything for the most part is down. There are a few outliers. If you guys are in my Telegram group or watch my live streams, you will know that I've been talking about one coin called Pirate Chain, and it's up to 77 on the market cap, trading at $9. It just keeps going up, guys. So for reasons like we saw in the news just now, tax hikes, Pirate Chain goes hand in hand. I'm not going to be going too much into detail in this video, but if you guys did end up scooping up some Pirate Chain just even a few days ago, you're up over 100% easily, probably doubled, tripled, even quadrupled your money at this point. So congratulations to you. I don't think Pirate Chain will be stopping anytime soon. Anyway, back to the topic of the video, Bitcoin and Ethereum. So Ethereum is looking to outtake Bitcoin at this point in time. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin dominance chart as well as the Ethereum dominance chart. So right now, the Bitcoin dominance chart broke below the key level, this brick wall over here at the 53 to 52%. And also we broke beneath this key level of support and are currently retesting it. We'll see if we do end up flipping it. That would be very bullish for alts. And I do think Bitcoin dominance will continue to move down here towards this 44% level. So definitely be keeping your eyes on the Bitcoin dominance chart as we progress further into the year of 2021. Taking a look at the Ethereum dominance chart, this is one to keep an eye on because we are going up and up and up. This is a 4-hour. I'll head over to a daily. So the past few days have been huge for Ethereum as it's taking more of the market share. As we can see here, we're currently in a supply zone. We have a drop-based drop. I would mark this off on the chart as an area to definitely look out for. And as we can see, prices reacting to the supply zone. Guys, technical analysis, supply and demand, it can be used on any chart. This is the Ethereum market cap chart and supply and demand zones work. So technical analysis, guys, is interchangeable with any asset, anything really that has a price chart you can use technical analysis on. So it is definitely a skill worth learning. Now let's take a look at a very, very important chart, which is the Ethereum Bitcoin chart, because you need to be measuring your units of account in Satoshis, as Bitcoin is currently the king of the market, and Bitcoin is also real money. There's only 21 million Bitcoin. Each Bitcoin has 100 million Satoshis, and they can't make any more of that like they can with fiat money. So that is why it's always important to look at crypto assets versus Bitcoin, as well as the US dollar. But more importantly, you need to be checking the Ethereum Bitcoin chart and any altcoin versus Bitcoin as well, because you want to be stacking your Bitcoin, of course. So as you can see, we made a new local high on the chart yesterday, and I'm going to zoom this out to a weekly chart, because there is a key area at the 5 million Satoshis that if we do end up breaking, it can be extremely, extremely bullish for Ethereum as well as all altcoins. So I'm just going to put a line where 5 million Satoshis is. And looking left, we can see that there is some activity to take notice of on the chart could act as an area of resistance. But what my eyes go to is this drop-based drop supply zone here. And where the wick goes to, I'll mark it out. I would mark this out on the chart. I think Ethereum could be headed towards this level, which is over 5 million Satoshis per Ethereum. Now, Ethereum also just made a new all-time high versus the US dollar. So things are looking very, very bullish for Ethereum. Its market cap is going up. It's taking up more of the dominance of the entire crypto market cap. So Ethereum is looking very strong right now. So with that, I think a lot of DeFi coins will be following Ethereum. Now, of course, we need to be taking a look at the charts always in the news that is coming out because it's pretty uncertain in the markets right now. Bitcoin is chopping around. As we can see on the Bitcoin chart on the weekly, we had a trend line that was lasting for several weeks with multiple confirmations, and we are now below it. So this could be very bearish for Bitcoin, and we could be seeing a move down here where this trend line actually originated from and these candle bodies closed down here at about the $46,000 to $43,000 price levels. Now, if this happens, it can be very volatile in the market, so definitely be careful if you are trading with leverage. But with this being said, we've seen in the past, when altcoin season is in full effect, Ethereum actually outperforms Bitcoin. So definitely, you need to have your eyes on Ethereum. If you don't own any Ethereum, I'm not a financial advisor, but it should definitely be a part of your portfolio. I know there are a lot of people out there who are really into crypto that say if you really want to have the high reward playouts, you shouldn't own anything in like the top 10 market cap. And I do agree with that to an extent, which is why I own a lot of altcoins. However, I think it's a good idea to be diversified and have a large percentage of your portfolio in the main coins. Bitcoin is number one, as well as Ethereum. So keep that in mind. I'm not a financial advisor. However, there is some very bullish news for Ethereum that came out 8 hours ago. The first Ethereum ETFs in North America have officially launched. Now, this is in Canada. Canada is re-upping its support for the cryptocurrency sector, launching the first ETF for ETH just months after launching the first Bitcoin ETF on the continent. I like the vocabulary this article is using. And US investors will not be able to buy and sell the ETFs unless they have access to the Toronto Stock Exchange. So I do expect the US to follow suit eventually and release their own ETF for Ethereum. So if we see these ETFs get released for the New York Stock Exchange and the US markets, I expect a lot of demand from very large institutions as well as very wealthy investors, because a lot of these guys are older and they don't want to be bothered with messing with cryptocurrency and opening up a wallet and being responsible for their own private keys. They're used to the bank holding custody of their funds. But here at Crypto Empire, we are very passionate about decentralization and giving the power back to the people, which is why I highly encourage you. I say it all the time. You need to learn, you need to do the research, you need to do the work to put yourself in a position to prosper, because cryptocurrency is the opportunity of a lifetime to change your life financially. So again, I don't think that the bull market is over right now. I think there's a lot of FUD in the markets, and this could be a blessing in disguise, because in a few months we could see that these prices were actually extremely cheap at these levels. Moving on, payment giant Venmo is introducing 4 top cryptocurrencies to millions of people. The popular consumer-facing app will allow participants to broadcast their crypto transactions on their Venmo social feeds. The app will also support Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash. However, users will not be able to send crypto payments to one another. We're seeing all the large payment giants start to adopt crypto now. These institutions, these payment processors, they hold custody of your crypto. You don't actually own the cryptocurrency. It's essentially an IOU from the payment processor to you saying, yes, you own this, but it's an IOU. You don't actually own it. You can't send it to your own wallet. So be careful with these platforms. However, it is overall good for mass adoption, but that comes at a price, because we need decentralization. We need you to be responsible and self-sovereign. So with this being said, it's good. It's very bullish. It's bringing more adoption to crypto. But again, these people, they don't want you to have full power and full control over your money. So that is why I say you need to do the work and learn how to self-govern your own life. Okay, also, nearly 2/3 of US adults are crypto curious, according to a survey. Around 63% of adult US no-coiners are curious about cryptocurrencies, according to a survey by Gemini. Now, this is very good news, and with recently all of the coins like Dogecoin and SafeMoon pumping, by the way, I do not support these projects, but with all these coins pumping, a lot of people have their eyes on crypto because they have this, get rich quick lottery mindset where they can just put like $100 in and then get rich quick overnight. So that's why they invest in coins such as Dogecoin. But with this being said, a few percentage of these people that are interested in crypto will move past just being interested in the scam projects like Doge and SafeMoon. There's a lot better things on the market out there, better products, better crypto assets projects that you can invest in. So that is why overall I think it's very good that 63% of adults, no coiners, are interested in crypto, because yes, a lot of them will only be interested in Doge. However, some of them will go down the rabbit hole and realize how life-changing and revolutionary cryptocurrency and blockchain technology is, and how it has the potential to truly change the world over the long term. So that is why I do believe that this is very good for crypto. I think a small percentage of these people will actually end up taking it very seriously, and the more people that are interested in crypto, the better, because obviously that means more money will be flowing into the market. Now, before we wrap this video up, I want to share with you a tweet from Spencer Noon. And Spencer is talking about Ethereum and its market cap. Okay, he said PayPal settled $936 billion in payments last year. ETH settled $1.5 trillion in transactions just last quarter, just from January to March of 2021. This figure is also growing exponentially. PayPal market cap is currently $310 billion. The ETH market cap is $263 billion. $274 billion at the moment that this video was recorded. So look, Ethereum needs to be taken seriously. All of the stable coins, the government gave it permission to use their stable coins such as USDC. Tether got cleared. The Tether FUD is over. Ethereum is here to stay. I do expect ETH to be outperforming Bitcoin in the coming weeks. We will see how that plays out. So I do not believe that the bull market is over right now. There's no reason to panic. Let the other people panic, sell their bags, and this will allow you a buying opportunity at cheaper prices. Remember, we want to be buying into red candles and not buying into massive green candles, because that is how you will truly make the most gains during this epic bull run of 2021. If you haven't already, smash the like button. I want you to go ahead and smash the like button right now. I want you to practically break your keypad by smashing the like button so hard. Also, comment on the video, subscribe to the channel if you are not already subscribed, turn all notifications on as well. And my name is Connor from Crypto Empire, and we will see you in the next video.